Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming sequence settings match your clip, then place the clip on the timeline and open the Lumetri panel. First, tackle exposure because it affects every color decision. Adjust exposure and contrast until highlights and shadows sit where you expect. Use the histogram and waveform to confirm numeric ranges rather than eyeballing. Once basic exposure is steady, correct white balance with temperature and tint sliders to neutralize color casts before moving to creative adjustments. Now refine the image using curves and the RGB parade to target midtones and fix channel imbalances. Drag the curve gently to avoid posterization. Once tonal relationships are solid, increase vibrance or saturation carefully, and isolate skin tones with the HSL secondary tool to desaturate or shift only non-skin hues. Apply a subtle creative LUT or custom look for mood. Then pull back highlights or lift shadows to regain detail that the LUT may have clipped. Finish by matching shots. Use comparison view and scopes to ensure consistent exposure, white balance, and saturation across the edit. Apply final vignette or sharpening sparingly, then render a short segment at full quality to inspect for banding or unexpected shifts. If colors look wrong, reset Lumetri on the problem clip, verify project color management and sequence color space, and try rendering with proxies or different export color settings. Make sure to save a graded master and an export preset for repeatable results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.